Divoting is the repair of damage to the surface caused by players turning or sliding on the pitch. Although the actual area of damage may be small, when multiplied many times over the duration of a game and by all the players, the overall damage can be quite considerable. The repair and reinstatement of these areas should be carried out quickly and correctly. A divot repaired promptly increases the chance of the grass surviving the initial damage. Leaving the divots unrepaired will lead to the loss of the grass and will alter the surface levels of the pitch, causing the ball to bobble and bounce unevenly and increases the risk of injuries to the players. The equipment for carrying out this task varies greatly. Each member of the ground staff will have their own preference and opinions. Equipment used varies from border forks through to garden forks, small garden rakes and hand forks attached to long handles. First, carry out a risk assessment and PPE check. Slowly walk over the pitch, adopting a pattern that ensures the whole pitch is covered. If the damage is a small scar or overturned turf, then the operation required is to fold the damaged turf grass back into place and lightly firm with the foot to provide grass-soil contact and reduce the chances of the divot lifting. If the damage is a fully removed section of turf grass, then the turf grass needs to be found and replaced. If the divot is deep, use a fork or rake lever to twist the sides of the scar in towards each other, closing the scar by inserting the tines and twisting gently. Do not insert the tines into the scar and lever upwards, as this will rip any surviving grass plants from their root system, causing further damage.